So this is dinner for tonight, air fried chicken wings and mac and cheese. So I have here chicken wings and we're gonna marinate this one with soy sauce. I have light soy sauce, dark soy sauce. I'm just eyeballing this one as I always do when cooking. Onion granules or onion powder if that's what you have. Garlic granules or powder. Smoked paprika. I got lemongrass. You don't have to add lemongrass, but I prefer doing it. Salt and pepper. So pepper, and then we're just gonna mix it. So I just realized that I forgot something, so we are adding fish sauce and Chinese cooking wine. But these are just optional. You can opt it out if you want. So we're gonna mix it again. So we're just gonna marinate this one for at least 30 minutes. Then grill it later or air fry it later. So I'm making mac and cheese. So I have a cooked macaroni ready. We're just gonna make a roux. So first is butter. We'll have about 2 tablespoons of butter there that we're gonna melt. Once melted, we're gonna add our flour. Now we're gonna add our flour, which is about 2 tablespoons as well. So equal parts. And then we're just gonna mix it. Just making sure it's not gonna burn. So our heat is about medium low. Right, so I missed the press record, so I missed it, but I poured here some milk. So we're just gonna mix this one. Onto this, you can add some fresh garlic, but I'm just doing a granules or powder. And I also like to add some nutmeg. Then of course, salt and pepper. I don't want to add too much salt because the cheese is salty already. And then pepper. So just season it to your liking. So we're just gonna mix it. We're then gonna add our cheese. The cheese, I'm using cheddar with a little bit of mozzarella. Cheddar is perfectly fine. Whisk, whisk, whisk. So it's thickened already. It's thickened up a bit. So this is how it is right now at the moment. Look. I have here our cooked macaroni. So we're just gonna pour this one and mix. Well, let me check if it's too much cheese sauce. Let's mix this up. I'm just gonna use the pan so that less dishes to wash. So it's funny because my daughter have this for her packed lunch, and one of her classmates was saying, "Oh, can your mom post on TikTok her recipe for the mac and cheese?" I was laughing. I was like, I don't really do like proper recipe when I cook. I just sort of eyeball things, you know. And sometimes when I cook, I don't even try or taste what I'm cooking. It's just sort of, it's there, you know. Anyway, so that's fine. Some grated cheese. Sometimes I would put some bacon. Actually, I can do that now, actually. But there you go, grated cheese on top. Bacon. So this just, you know, added protein, which is good for the kids. So we're just gonna put that in the preheated oven. Now it's time to air fry our chicken. Just spray some oil. fry it for 200 for 20 minutes or until cooked. 20 minutes pass and there's our mac and cheese. So there you go, that's my kids' dinner for tonight.